Alright guys, welcome back to Slav Squad. Today's gonna be a very exciting day because Brian and I are gonna go on a little urban ride. Brian's actually already been out on his Surron doing a bunch of little digging and building. I'm gonna go along with him and we're gonna build little jumps and just kind of make our way around town and have a good time. You're probably asking me, Slavic, oh, what must you be wearing right now? Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. What we got here is an unopened 509 box. Got some jerseys here. Got myself some new gloves because my Fox gloves rip very, very fast. Black and white jersey. Some one of the peel-off goggle things, whatever they're called. We keep scratching our lenses and that's gonna be really nice. Two goggles here. Both of them are Sinister goggles. Both of them have clear lenses because we do night riding as well as day riding. Peter got himself one of these little Dust Devils. I might end up getting myself one as well. You know, gotta put the Fox helmet to retirement. That thing is really, really beat up. Check this out. Look at that beauty, guys. That is just beautiful, and it's actually going to match my goggles pretty nicely too. This was my old helmet, also carbon fiber. This is a V4 Fox helmet. When we do like side to side weight, the 509 feels heavier. This is the Carbon Pro version of the 509 dirt helmet. You can tell I've been needing goggles really bad. Original lenses that were on here were clear, and I found the number here and I ordered the exact same ones. I ordered like 3 or 4 times, and every single time I was sent a different lens. That was really annoying. That's probably one of the most exciting things about this order that came in, is that I finally have proper goggles. If you guys want to get any of this 509 gear here, we'll have all the links in the description below, or visit ride509.com. We are really excited to be partnering up with them this year and make a lot of cool content and maybe do some events with 509. It'd be pretty sick, so stay tuned for that. Let's get on with doing a little bit of boondocking out here. I'll tell you what, it's nice to have new goggles that are nice and clear. I had Fox ones that were really bad, and then I had my 509s, but the 509s that I had were scratched up already. They were like 3 years old that I used for sledding, and I took it out once to go dirt biking once or twice, and they got scratched up. So now these ones have the little lens cover and everything, and they're brand new and it feels great. That's a cool little jump. Brian built it.
That's that first one.
Yeah, I hit it too. It's a pretty cool little jump. I hit it a couple times.
Yeah.
Go a little higher, but pretty fun little jump. I need to build like a cool pit bike track, dude.
We need another one going this way.
Dude, this makes me like really want to build like a little pit bike track somewhere. This place would be so sick if they let you.
Well, what about that place you and Brad were talking about that's up by Beacon where you can actually hunt?
I don't know. We have to go check it out. I've never been on that side. I like touched the ground that time with my foot. You like my ballerina kick?
You're already taking your feet off.
Gotta make it cool a little bit because I can't do a whip. Do this one more time, a little tandem style. Oh, he's gonna do it. That'd be kind of cool jump onto the road. know they're building a bridge here. We're in search of other areas to build jumps. I think Brian knows another spot. He built a little jump. They're gonna go check it out.
Brother, what's that?
There used to be like a couple jumps there that were a little bit bigger. Still tiny, but everything's changed so much. We are currently on the side of a freeway right now, boys. What is going on? Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I tried to hit that thing, but it's so rough. Like coming from this way, like kind of off the top and come down, but it's so rough.
You gotta practice your re-entries. Yeah! Woo! It starts on the Surron and then on the sled.
Surron's a lot easier to throw around.
Look what we got here. Doesn't seem to care very much. We're about to build a jump right there, so let's see how that goes. I can't believe I've been riding so dangerously without my safety protection valve connected. Doesn't look like it's packing very well. We'd have to go bring dirt from there.
How do we bring it over though? You take your helmet off and fill it with dirt.
Mine's newer.
Use mine is what you're saying?
We found treasure in a homeless shelter.
There's already dirt in there.
Gonna get dirt from here and try to get some dirt on that side. I'm gonna keep exploring, seeing if I can find something else to use as well. It's like the third cop I've seen over here today so far.
Gotta make do, right? What you can find.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna give it the first go. Alright, on to the next jump to build. Jump out here that Brian said he shoveled out, so looks pretty good. Oh, jeez, they're going the wrong way. I did that on purpose, okay? Every time I try to go faster, to go higher, this throws me all over the place. I beat you to it. Oh, I came in way too hot.
I thought it'd be cool to take that one jump I have, jump over the train track, do it while a train's coming.
Right in front of it or something?
Like not super close, obviously, but like, I don't know, the train like 100 feet away or...
I'd do it closer.
Let's set it up.
The day has come to an end, boys. Time to go put the feet on the couch and eat some tacos.